What's the meaning of barbed? Barbed. Barbed.
Barbed. Barbed. The term barbed generally refers to something that is equipped with small, sharp points or projections, typically used as a deterrent. This can be seen in various contexts, such as barbed wire used for fencing or barbed remarks used in communication. The word itself originates from the Latin word barba, meaning beard, which could be related to the appearance of pointed projections resembling facial hair. In essence, anything that is described as barbed is likely to be perceived as hostile or offensive due to its sharp and potentially painful nature. The term can also convey a sense of warning or danger.